This is how I do my everyday glowy makeup. So first step is I apply a gel based moisturizer and a massage for a few seconds. Second step is I apply a lip balm, lip liner and a lipstick. And then the third step is I conceal where I want to cover my dark pigmented area or spots on my face, which is generally around my eyes, around my brows and around my nose, my mouth, and quickly blend it. Fourth step is I apply a highlighter on my T-zone area and quickly blend it. It gives a glowy effect on my face and I think highlighter changed the game completely as it always works. As you can see the glow. Fifth step is compact powder. Then I apply a compact powder which gives a light coverage to my skin and even out my complexion. This is what the professional makeup artists do. They just use some concealer, a compact powder to do a base makeup. Here I am completing my look applying a mascara, eyeliner and a bindi. Subscribe to my channel for more such makeup tutorials.